GemBlocks, also known under several similar titles across app stores, promotes itself as a simple puzzle game that can allegedly pay you real money for completing levels. The gameplay itself is familiar. You drag and drop colorful blocks to fill rows and clear the board. As a casual puzzle app, it's functional and mildly enjoyable, but its earning system quickly raises doubts. Advertisements often highlight easy PayPal withdrawals or guaranteed cash prizes, yet user experiences suggest otherwise. Most players report accumulating virtual coins that never convert into real funds, while others note that payout thresholds move further away the more they play. Online reviews emphasize that the app's structure relies on frequent ad views rather than verified payment mechanisms. It's possible that the developers are leveraging engagement metrics to drive advertising revenue, not to compensate users. Verdict: GemBlocks works fine as a light puzzle pastime, but its earning promises are unrealistic. Enjoy it for gameplay, not for genuine rewards.